At Joe Davis Autosport, we've heard it all.
It's like a whirring but a squeaking.
Sounds like something important fell off, but I just keep driving away.
Imagine skeletons wrestling.
Normally only does it when it's raining and I'm turning left.
You know when you step on a Lego? My car sounds like that constantly.
Yeah, we get it. Weird noises, funny smells, strange vibrations. We spent 35 plus years decoding what your car is really trying to tell you.
Whatever your car sounds like, we know the language.
Joe Davis Autosport, diagnosing the indescribable since 1990.